Good morning, guys. Well, it's actually good afternoon. It's currently 12:13. Today is Monday, January 9th, and I'm starting today's vlog going to the gym. Today is my 9th day going to the gym. I've been going to the gym every single day for the new year. I was supposed to go to the gym already, to be honest. I should have been home already, but I was sad. I was up watching what I watched last night. I was watching Blackish, if you guys know that show. I was watching that, and then I didn't go to sleep till like late. So this morning when my alarm went off, I was tired. I'm like, I should have low-key still got up, but I didn't. So now it's the consequences I'm facing going to gym now, because it's going to be a little bit more packed in there than in the mornings. That's why I love going in the mornings, but whatever, we're still gonna go. We're not gonna let that stop us from going, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna go upstairs and make myself a little smoothie because I'm hungry as heck, and then like prepare my water and stuff, and then I'm gonna go. So yeah, I'm wearing this set is from Shein. This workout set is from Shein. I did do a haul on this a while back. I will link it. It came with 4 pieces actually. So it's this top, the pants, and then it has the shorts, and it has like a sports bra top as well that you can wear. So it was a reasonable price. I will link it if they still have it. I'll link the video because that video has the link to the item below. So yeah, I'm gonna go. My bag is basically packed. I'm gonna have a quick smoothie and then I'm gonna go. Yeah, so my hair is in these like little twists. I did some bantu knots last night and I wanted to take it out and like have it curly, but my hair is still wet, so I'm not gonna take it out. I'm just gonna leave it in these little cute twists. And yeah, anyways, that's besides the point. Let's just go make the smoothie so we can go to the gym. And yeah, if you guys are new here, my name is Miss Nicole Ashley. You can call me Nicole, you can call me Nikki, Miss Nikki Slay, voila. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the anime gang. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to the gym right now. I was gonna make the smoothie, but I'm out of stuff I like in my smoothie, so I'm just having a banana, and that should do the gif, because I'm a little hungry, so we need something for catch up with stomach, you see me? Yeah, so today at the gym I'm gonna be doing, I wrote it down, trying to be organized. Let me tell y'all. So today at the gym I'm gonna be doing glutes, something quick. We'll see. I have this workout plan that I found from TikTok. Shout out to TikTok. I literally find everything on TikTok nowadays, like, so I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you guys know, because we trying to get snatched for the summer, baby. We're not playing. We definitely not playing. We're gonna be outside, skin out and all. I'm joking. I'm joking.
What? Yeah. Turn me up a little bit. Where your money at? We gon' smoke 100 sacks. Shooting up your block, switch cars, then we double back. You a funny cat, you ain't made 100 raps. You ain't nothing like Nip Watson, that's a fucking fact. Putting on for my city, got 100 stats. I'm the realest nigga and it can't front on that. Lot of fake niggas hate me cause they wanna rap, but if they dumb enough to say it, I'ma fucking snap. Big guns, I got big guns, ARs, AKs, nigga pick one. This young nigga on that shit, you should get on. And I promise you get fucked if your bitch come. No Flamingo wood, nigga, show the.
Let's turn that off because we're not trying to get copyright. But it's currently 12. About 12. It's currently 2 something, after 2. And I just left the gym. Today's workout wasn't too bad, but there's one other workout that I didn't get to do because it's so crowded and like, I don't know, I'm still getting used to being in the gym, so it's like I get anxiety if I'm around too much people. So I did what I could, but yeah, there's one of the workout I didn't get to do. But yeah, as you guys saw in the previous clip, we still sweating. My shirt is kind of wet. But yeah, we're gonna get this body yaddy in shape one way or another. It's gonna take some time, but it will happen. This is how my stomach is now. It's in my lap still, but it's not so bad, so it takes time. But yeah, anyway, so now I'm gonna go to the grocery store because I need to pick up some fruits and stuff for smoothies, and I want to try to make this chipotle bowl at home. So we're gonna go to the grocery store and do that.
Crib love, like that nigga Nip, kinda sick, blood. On the me side, niggas bang my shit tough, it's all up. Even to my homeboys that switch up. Funny thing is, they swore when I get rich, I turn my back on them, but I'm still up in the mix, huh? Goddamn, ain't that some shit? Can't a young nigga pull up in the six, get his dick sucked? Where your money at? We gon' smoke 100 sacks, shooting up your block, switch cars, then we double back. You a funny cat, you ain't made 100 racks. You ain't nothing like Nip Watts, well that's a fucking fact. Where your money at? Where your money at? Where your money at? Yeah. Where your money at? Look, where your money at? 50s in your 100s at. Drop my new shit toward the world, then we double back. I be running laps till I'm running rap, but I don't want no help, ain't no fun in that. Like the type of raps make you wanna stack, make a nigga wanna Benz, make 100 racks. I heard your tape, where you done it at? Where you ever grind, where you stunted at? You wasn't full time, you was coming back. You was like, I'm finna roll, it was finna crack. Cause you ain't want none of that. Love, give me love, give me cash, give me respect. Anything other than I'ma reject. Give me time, give me space, give me a sec. On the real, what you gon' get is the best, you know it. They ain't fucking with it at all, you know it. Niggas ain't standing this tall, you know it.
Hey guys, why is it? Today is what day? Today is Friday, January 13th. And why did I not record all week? The last time I spoke to you guys was on Monday. Today's Friday. Like, this week's vlog is giving very much shaky, very much no content, very much lazy. Okay. But I didn't really do much this week, to be honest. I was just going to the gym and that was it. I felt like it was repetitive, so it's like it's not that much to record. But yeah, so today is, what time is it? It's 12:01 and I'm going to the dealership because I need to purchase some oil. Well, I'm not gonna buy the oil from the dealership, but I'm gonna get the oil filter because I need to get my oil changed. So I'm gonna go on the road to do that. Third Kelly of this, right? You don't show your face.
Yeah, face thing.
No face, no case, huh?
That's right. Can't be like them people out there nowadays a snitch on themselves on social
media. Hey, you're like the only person I know that don't have no form of social media. None whatsoever. Not even look at Facebook. Normally they have Facebook, but they don't have Instagram or Twitter or nothing.
No, you're right name Facebook. So your face have to depend on the book there, so everybody will see your face. How am you, man? How is a man broke down in the road? Black out, you see it? That tell you, see your brother teach you to drive, you pay attention, man. Yeah. No, you see like them two damn jackass, so we got drive down and park up there, man. And you see car broke down.
I got the coins. Oh my god, you're so sweet. I got the coins. Oh, you can you even go This way? Go. I said go. Outside them funds, you know. Please wait. Flash. Flash.
You guys need help?
Let me see. Wow. Thank you.
On the next side, blow you have a next one.
Okay. All right. I got my bill about to be $100, huh? Shit cheap.
Why your car again?
7. So this is what Canadian money looks like. In case you didn't know, we got the best money in the nation. Period. Colorful like Monopoly. You don't agree? If you don't agree, that's your problem. See, I see $49.99 for some wipers. I only got $30.
Yes.
So how you gonna work?
Your Civic what? And then you buy Islet?
Thank you. I got a bring out. Bring out.
Does it matter?
No. I don't know. Does it?
I don't think so. $12.
Oh, that's not bad. I can afford it. I'm rich.
If you buy a good one though.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, I'm not rich. Bro, this damn thing keeps falling off my...
Of $24. I think the both sides is the same size. Yeah.
Oh, that's ugly. So it's you buy one, like each. You have to buy 2, or is this a pack that has both in there?
One.
So you have to pay.
You have to buy 2.
Damn, I thought it was.
It's driver's side and the passenger.
Why I thought it was just one money and both of them are inside.
No.
Sure.
So they rip you off.
Yep, they thief. Jamaican bandit don't know which one to buy. I don't know. God, it's not focus.
That's the arm size at 22. You can buy any 22.
Do we need to go check it outside?
No, they're all.
I've never heard of this brand before, but apparently it's good, so comment down below if it is. If y'all into cars and y'all know nothing about cars, because your girl over here don't mind my nails, they're crusty. So how you know this is the one I'm supposed to get? You know, it's taxi man number used to have them money, so I might know it. Maybe it's
You know, right, I'm gonna say it go.
or it fall under. Oh yes, you're right. Come and say it wasn't part that stick up.
Bug.
Suck. You know what Mr. Me I do? Classic. So they used to all about their money. I forgot.
And jive.
And bro, I'm sick because that's literally how they used to be. Well, they probably still are. Okay. These are all the oil options.
God, that's real expensive.
The finest of the finest. For my baby Nipsey.
What's that? Honda recommend Penzine.
Honda chat, what Honda know? Scratch that.
So, but too much in Penzine. I have to watch them. When you buy them things when you pass sale, man.
This is what they want me to buy for $49.99. This is what I bought last time, this one. But it was on sale. I ain't paid for it. And I bought this one before too, all when they were on sale. Damn.
So you have to watch when they're small.
Okay, let's go, cause
Are you near wait?
yeah, I'm ready.
You know where cashier there, right? You have a peer, right? So why are you waiting on me to walk?
Because you got all the guala. Why are you walking that way? Anyways, y'all. So we're gonna cash out, and then I will probably come back to y'all. Ooh, espresso.
Hello, mate. That's for the yacht and down at your place. Banana plus guns, man. Stop it.
Because I'm waiting on you. You think you're
Wait, not me for.
you're getting out of not paying.
I'm not pay.
Yeah, I got pay today. You gotta pay. I think I lost my damn wallet.
What? I said you, I try to set me.
I'm not even joking.
You really come in here with it?
Yeah, I think. No, seriously, I don't have it.
You see, all I'm here. The crowd in the store. You need to make sure say.
I don't have it. I'm not shows. Anyways, guys, so you guys, I thought I lost my wallet, so I was ready to cry. I swear to you, I probably sure I was gonna cry. Because I'm like, how can I lose my wallet? I just had it. But I found it.
Your arms in pay.
No, I knew you were gonna say that. I actually knew you were gonna say that because you know what? And the whole time I'm there saying, oh, you're gonna pay, you're gonna pay.
Yeah,
Joking.
exactly.
And then karma hit me. I was fretting. I was like, oh my god. Because my gym card is in here. I got my driver's license in here. I even got some American money in here.